Hi everyone, welcome to Just a Minute. I am Neeraj from Satyaki and today we will be learning the basics of initializing a Git repository in just a minute. To begin with, let's log into the Git account. Now to create a Git repository or a new repository, open a terminal and make sure you have installed Git. Check the link for a quick guide. Let's navigate to the directory and use the cd command to move around. Check the Git status. If it gives an error as not a Git repository, use the command git init to initialize a folder to empty Git repository. Next, let's add some files using the command git add -all to add all files or specify the file names individually. Now, let's give the command git commit -m your commit message and hit enter. To set the branch where the code will be pushed to, for that give the command git branch -m main. Let's give the command git remote add origin and its repo link which we created to direct the connection with the repo link. Ensure the branch is upstream by pushing the code using the command git push -u origin main. We have just taken a first step to the Git world. Join us by hitting that subscribe button and ensure you never miss out on the latest update by activating the bell icon. Your gateway to staying informed and inspired awaits. Thank you.